have a detailed skincare and still your skin won't be behaving at its best. It's always the healthy food options that actually affect your skin. Worried about what are the food items? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Hi, I'm Dr. Roshni Mishra from CureSkin. I'm an expert dermatologist, and today I'll be talking about few of the food items that can affect your skin. Skincare isn't just about what you put on your skin, but also what you put inside your body. While there are still some studies which have been proven that certain food habits can actually improve your skin condition, while some of the food habits can actually worsen your skin condition and also promote aging. Overall, good food habits and a healthy lifestyle show when it comes to your skin and hair. For example, getting enough sleep and proper hydration really reflect over your skin. And along with this is also the proper detoxification. Worried about those under eye dark circles? That could be a sign that your skin is not getting enough of sleep. So make sure that you have at least 8 hours of sleep daily. You might be even developing some kind of allergies or some kind of reaction to the certain chemicals. Even after taking enough of sleep, you see those sleep lines over your skin. That might be a sign that your skin might be dehydrated. So make sure that you drink plenty of water and keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. Now let us have a look at certain food items that are supposed to be avoided in your diet. Number 1, sugary foods. While candy cream roll might be sounding exciting and very delicious, according to the American Academy of Dermatology, certain food items, especially the sugary foods, can actually damage your skin and even improve the aging and wrinkles. The sugar is going to damage the elastin and collagen which is present into your skin, and that can promote the aging and wrinkle formation over your face. So make sure that you avoid the sugary foods. Number 2, white bread. The food items like white bread, white rice, potatoes are basically having high glycemic index. And according to the Cleveland Clinic, the high glycemic index food can actually lead to insulin spike, which is going to worsen the condition, especially the condition like acne. To help in reducing these kind of condition, make sure that you avoid these kind of food items in your diet. And along with this, the insulin level spike can also make you feel drained and feeling restless throughout the day. Number 3, milk. While certain studies have proved that milk can actually lead to increase in the inflammatory process and redness in case of acne, still some research is pending. It is claimed that the milk and the milk hormones are basically responsible for increasing the inflammation and redness in conditions of acne and rosacea. Number 4, saturated fats. The foods like fatty beef, butter and cheese can actually increase the acne, and this is associated because of increasing the insulin growth factor. Whereas the insulin growth factor can directly increase the sex hormones, which indirectly are supposed to increase the inflammatory process of acne, leading to more breakouts in oily and acne prone skin. And finally, the last one are the salt-laden foods. The foods like the packed chips and certain foods are high in the sodium intake, which can actually lead to drying of your skin and giving you that dull and tired appearance, along with increase in the under eye dark circles. So if you're deciding to go on for certain big changes in your diet, make sure that you consult your doctor first before making any certain kind of big changes. It is very true that this kind of healthy lifestyle is going to reflect not just over your skin, but also entirely over your body and especially your mental health. So make sure to follow these kind of videos and don't forget to subscribe us. If you have any kind of questions, please comment.